Tired of hunting for invoices in Hostinger? Let me show you exactly where to click to preview them in under 30 seconds. We'll start from your store dashboard, then navigate through emails and invoice previews step by step. Now, open up your Hostinger website builder. This is the main dashboard where you manage everything for your online store. You'll land here after logging in, and it's the perfect starting point for this whole process. From your builder dashboard, look over at the left-hand menu. Go ahead and click on the section labeled Store. That's where all your product listings, orders, and sales stuff lives. This is the control center for your shop. Once you're inside store, you'll see a few different tabs across the top. Click on Emails. This section handles all the automated messages your store sends out, like order confirmations and shipping updates. It might not seem like the obvious place for invoices, but stick with me. Now, within the Emails section, you'll find a tab or option called Email Previews. Click that. This is where you can see what each of those automated emails actually looks like before they go out to your customers. Really handy for checking your branding. Scroll through the list of email templates, and you'll spot one labeled Invoices. Click on that. This is the specific template that gets sent whenever someone completes a purchase. So now that we've found the invoice template, you'll see a small list of recent orders beneath it. Click on Invoice of the order. This selects which customer purchase you want to look at. Next, click the Preview button. This will open up a mock version of the email, so you can see how it all comes together with your store name and logo. You'll be shown a few different sample orders. Go ahead and click on Invoice for order number 1001. That's just a standard placeholder order that Hostinger generates for testing. And finally, click the View Invoice button. This pulls up the full, final invoice exactly as your customer would see it. Everything from the item descriptions to the totals and your store's contact info. There you go. From being lost in the dashboard to previewing any invoice in just a handful of clicks. I've walked through this exact process myself, so I know how easy it is once you know where to look. If this helped you out, give the video a thumbs up, and I'll catch you in the next one.